One of the most common questions we get here at Fusion is how do you stop bleed through and block knots from coming through? So let me show you how. First, when getting started, we're going to want to give it a great clean with our TSP alternative. This piece in particular needed quite a few passes with our TSP alternative, just to really make sure that all of the dirt and grime was removed. You may need a little bit of elbow grease, as sometimes these pieces can be quite stubborn, so keep cleaning until you see your rag is no longer coming off with any dirt. Our next step is to make sure that we block those knots from coming through. We're going to want to use our Zinsser Shellac Primer. This is the only product on the market that will stop bleed through. When applying the Bin Zinsser Primer Shellac, you'll want to work very quickly with it because it dries almost instantaneously. And if you keep working it back and forth, you will create brush strokes. As a tip, it's best to put 2 coats of this primer sealer on to prevent bleed through and avoid brush strokes. For this piece, I'm going to use one of our custom recipes available at the back of our fan deck. We have over 50 beautiful blends. This one is number 20, called Smoky Lavender. Just take 1 pint of lamp white and mix 1 tester of damask and stir. And there you have a brand new color. Rolling your paint is a quick and easy way to get great coverage. As a tip, grabbing your microfiber roller, you'll want to ensure that you don't have too much paint on your roller, as you can produce an orange peel effect. So make sure, when painting with your roller, you try and remove any of the excess off onto your tray. Getting into the details and corners of this piece, I'm going to be using the Stahlmeister Pointed Sash Brush. It's going to give me excellent coverage and control while avoiding brush strokes while getting into the corners. All of the Fusion Mineral Paint products have incredible coverage. This off-white color, you can see with 1 coat, has great coverage. However, you really notice the full covering effect once you apply your second coat. This is such a statement piece, we really wanted to keep the finish nice and simple. We don't need to add a top coat to Fusion Mineral Paint because it's already built in, but if you want to make it look a little bit more accentuated, you can always add one of our top coats.